Okay, guys, Thursday, 11th of December, just less than 20 minutes before we open. We've traded some morning already. We traded kind of first thing this morning. Yes, I didn't alert it. I won't alert usual trades like such in the London because it's just not good habits to keep looking in the London and trying to take things in the London, as we found out many a time before. So we had sort of a small 50 there, which traded through. Then your same anchor new high holds on the 38, and we run through to halfway of that range, or above that range, 62 really. So where do I think this is going to go now? I think this will potentially start to fall short at some point here. I want to see this fall short back through 23s, 38s, maybe even the full halfway back, and then see where we're going to go from there. I'm still just in the 50k combine, same as with the guys, because a lot of my guys have 50ks already. From a psychological standpoint, I'm struggling with it. It's a difficult one to wrap my head around. The size, it's just such a small margin for the way that I like to trade. Obviously the size is going to be a lot less, and maybe the way that I take certain setups is going to be a little bit different. But yeah, you know, some of the runs into VWAPs when it isn't really the trend and stuff like that, it's just not really going to be a great deal of return unless you've got something like this. Then you've got a lot of points to go. But when you're just kind of not sure ultimately on the higher time frame trend where it's not glaringly obvious, and you're just running negative 23s or standard deviations into the VWAPs, yeah, the entry is going to have to be a lot slicker earlier in the 50ks, and then if it is late, it's going to have to be like a really low contract, and then wait for it to pull all the way back to add like one and then a one if we get a pullback, just to get you like $200. But that's it today, really. That's all I'm expecting us to do. Yes, we could short a bit more. We've tagged that 78 3 times now. The third touch has managed to push it down here. That was with the FOMC news yesterday, which took out long targets, which I was calling out yesterday morning. That's what it was waiting for. It took out the longs. It also took out the shorts. So yeah, hopefully a bit of a clearer move today. We'll see what the open brings in about 15 minutes. But that's it, guys. Stay safe.